Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can create an Udemy online course account. For that, make sure you have installed a Udemy app on your mobile phone. Just open the Udemy app. Once you open the Udemy app, you can see here the welcome screen of the Udemy app. Here on the bottom, you can see the two options, browse or sign in. For now, you need to tap on sign in option. Here you will be shown the various ways where you can sign in with email, with Google, with Facebook or with Apple. For now, since you haven't created any account, then you need to tap on the bottom option here. You can see new here, create an account. Then you will be guided to the space where you will need to sign up with email, with Google or with Facebook. Just tap on any one of this for now. I'll show you by tapping on sign up with Google. Here you will be shown different Google account. You can choose any one of the account that you have opened on your mobile phone. Whether you can skip this whole step or you can choose any one. For now I am skipping it. So this is the home page of your Udemy account. It has already been created. I hope you find this video useful. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it for more tutorial videos. If you like this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you.